To connect Nova to GMGN AI, you'll need to have an account with GMGN AI first. Once you've signed up, sign in and navigate to the click.trade on Nova.io website. From there, click on the Download for Chrome button, which will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Add the extension to Chrome. Then click Add Extension to install it. After installation, you can close the web page. And on the same website, you'll see an option to connect Telegram. Click on this, and you can choose to use either the desktop app or the web version. Depending on your preferred method, you'll need to click Start Bot or Open Web to proceed. You may encounter a maintenance message, but you can continue by clicking on either Bot 1 or Bot 2 inches. Next, go to the Wallet section and ensure you have a wallet created in Nova. Then, click on Settings and verify that the Use Panel settings are enabled, indicated by a green color. If it's red, simply click on Use Panel settings to turn it on. Now, on the GMGN AI website, click on the puzzle icon at the top right corner. Then click on the Nova extension. And finally, click the pin button to add Nova. This will enable Nova and refresh the GMGN AI website, allowing you to access your presets and enable the Nova panel. Please note that you should proceed according to your own needs and knowledge, as this is not a substitute for professional financial advice. With Nova connected, you can navigate to any coin and start using it as desired.